Hello everyone, I'm Dimitri, an architect and instructor at Labideas, and in this lesson I'll show you how we can rotate a texture in SketchUp in a super easy and super fast way. This is going to be a super short lesson, right? To start with then, I have shelves here where I want the texture to go in the other direction. So just access the element, if it's a group or component, by double-clicking until you can click once on the surface, okay? It's important that it's not a double click because to rotate my texture, you can't have the edge line selected. So I just click once. With the right click, we're going to have the texture and position option. Then some editing boxes will appear there, okay? If I just want to rotate 90 degrees, then it's super easy. I don't even in fact need to mess with the 4 editing boxes here. I can right click again, there's the rotate option, 90, and then I hit spacebar, escape, escape, until I see my rotated texture. So remembering that we have our complete SketchUp course, which is here in the description. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and we'll see you in the next ones. Thank you very much.